Hello again. Here we have a BMW X5 E70. Got this wing mirror nicked right under my nose, and these guys just decided to break the attachment to the body, and I'll try and share this video on how to replace it. It's quite tricky if you don't know what you're doing, but I've got the replacement wing mirror that I bought from eBay. It's quite cheap, and I'll go through. Not very well equipped, but oops, I've got my tools here, which are not very complete, but I'm using them. The point is, you need to get the door cover off, and you get this off by taking off the door handle, which sits right about here, and this door handle's got two T20 torque screws there and there, and one T10 torque screw here. So you need a T20, T10, and actually T30 torque screwdriver. So the aim is to get this cover door off, and then you need to pry out this part here that I've just done under the speaker, and you come to the attachment of the wing mirror, which has got the T30 screws, which looks like this. Okay. So two of them sits right behind this this cover here. So one there and one there. It's got three, so the third one is quite tricky to find. It is right underneath this rubber, this waterproof rubber thing. So it's right there. So it's behind the door. So be very careful when you come to these two and you think you've already loosened the wing mirror attachment. There's the third one right under there. You need to get that out before you can pull it this side. So once you've got the other screw out, you just pull off this and you replace it. You can replace it easily. Hope that is useful. I just thought I should share this with you because I couldn't find it anywhere on YouTube. Thank you. Good luck.